Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is your full name?
So my full name is Harbir Singh Chauhan.
Harbir Singh Chauhan.
Yes, sir.
Lovely. Harbir, I'm going to take your interview for level 1. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Great. Harbir, first of all, tell me something about the badge that you're wearing on your chest.
Sir, this is my 10A plus badge. As
Okay.
I speak brilliant topics, so for every topic we get a score, and for getting 10A plus it is given.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
May you win more laurels.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. Now, at this present time, coronavirus is prevailing. Do you wear mask?
Yes, sir. I wear mask.
How do you feel wearing all the time?
So sometimes it is not very good enough. I feel very exhausted while wearing the mask because it is not very comfortable.
Yeah.
I feel comfortable without mask, but without mask we cannot go out of the home. But in home I do not wear mask.
What do you do when you meet somebody in the market without mask?
So I tell him that you should wear mask because it is very important.
Yeah.
We should maintain social distancing as we should wear the mask.
Wonderful. That's very, very important. And I really I can see a smart watch on your wrist.
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell me something about it? How did you get it? And is it a gift or you bought it from somewhere?
Okay, sir, it is of MI company and I got it on my birthday,
Yeah.
14th July. My father gifted it to me,
Okay.
and I love the watch because it was a very lovely gift.
How this watch is useful to you?
Sir, it is a sports watch. It tells me about how many I walked, the 6 kilometer or how much, and it
Oh.
also tell me about my heart rate and the most importantly time.
Do you think that it will be useful for me?
Yes, sir, it will useful to you also.
Got it. Can I set alarms on it?
Yes, sir, you can set alarms. In this, there's timers, stopwatch, and many things.
Got it. All right, thank you. Let's talk about weekends. Harbir, what do you do on weekends these days?
Sir, usually on weekends, these days I do not go out because it is not too much safe. I stay home and play with my sister and my friends. Sometimes
How your weekends are different from the past?
Sir, because because this time is not very good as coronavirus is going on.
Yeah.
In the past, we always go out to visit my relatives' homes and also to restaurants and cinema halls. So the past was very good, but now it also very good because we get a lot of time to spend with our parents
Right.
and our.
Harbir, are you hopeful that sooner the things will be all right?
So yes, now also things are getting all right because everyone is maintaining social distancing from my side, and things are getting right.
All right, great. And have you learned any new skill lately in the last 7-8 months? Because you had not been to school. You
Yes,
had
sir.
spent majority of you can say that a lot of time at home alone. So have you learned any new skill?
Sir, I have learned coding from YouTube.
All right.
I have software in my laptop and I used to do coding when I am free, and cooking also because whenever my mother used to cook anything, I go to her and I learn cooking.
It has been commonly seen that parents were much upset with their kids being at home.
Yes, sir.
Did it happen with you?
No, sir, because I always help my mother, and she was very happy that he is helping me all the time. So, but he was sometime he was upset when I was doing I was not doing study. I was playing all the time on the phone. So then she told me that you should do study, and then I get to the studies.
All right. Thank you so much, Harbir. It was really pleasure talking to you.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.